Hello, my name is Brian Zuniga. On today, I'm going to explain my task of the experimental practical work. Okay, the first question is why did you find that cycle interesting? I I I found it very interesting since it talks about adult education to be able to include it in their master's degree to generate better learning. And the next question is, what is the structure of abstract of the abstract? The structure of the abstract is the purpose is that seeks to evaluate the expression that student student teacher experience of a course on media trans education for older people. Okay, and the methodology is used was a narrative research method to analyze the data in vivo analyze was also performed. Okay, and the next question is what are the keywords for the article? The keywords for the article is older people's media literacy education, teacher education, and narrative ed research. Oh, sorry. Okay. The next. What is the objective of the research? Okay. The the objective that the research is the course was developed as a part research project and was integrated with education program focused on adult education that could include a master's degree in a course or in postmaster's studies. Okay, uh, what was the methodology applied? Okay, the methodology applied is one moment. that is the study was guided by the following research question. What kind of experience were identifiable in the student teachers' narratives? So, how did the student teacher describe their learning process during the course? 3. What kind of meanings did the students teachers attribute to the course's pedagogy? And finally, 4. Which development areas in the courses were uh, based on the student teacher experience? Okay, the next is how was data analyzed by the author? Okay, the data analyzed is next. Okay, is the first stage of the analyze to compress it. Sorry, the first stage of the analyze comprises several readings of the test with main obtain an overall picture of what the students had written about. Okay, and reader primarily and allows the thematical analysis was performed using in vivo version 12. Okay, the next is what are the major conclusion or finding? Uh, the conclusion that the results is One moment. Um, okay, okay. This, 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 the results of these studies persist through the student-teacher narrative demonstrated that these topics are relevant to teacher education, especially when they are explored in a way that enables authentic, collaborative, and intergenerational experience. Okay, and finally, this describe any limitation in the study or of future lines of research. Okay, it it the is the theme of the new course is important since Finnish adult education teacher training programs have previously included little or no content on the media literacy education of other people or on issues in general concerning learning uh, in later life. Okay, it is all of the question. The next part of the task is name of the article. The name of the article is Student Teacher Narratives on Learning, a Case Study of a Course Other People's in Media Literacy Education. Okay, the journal is the teaching and teacher and teaching and teacher education is an international journal of research and student studies. And yeah, in the journal homepage is this. The okay, okay. The next is authors. The author is Silvia Portillo Neymanet, Hannah Jarby, Susanna Rivinen, and Baby Tracy. Okay, the next is keywords. The keywords is are are older people media literacy education, teacher education, and narrative research. Okay, the date of publication. The date of publication is this 24 June the 2021. GOA. The joy is this. The joy is this. Teaching education. Okay, this is the joy in this article. Okay, and okay, it is all of my task. Thank you very much for your attention and have a nice day.